Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today I am going to be cleaning my living room, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. I'm going to start by picking up the toys and putting them in the toy basket. There's quite a bit scattered on the floor. Now I'm going to go ahead and start putting up anything that doesn't belong in the toy basket. I'm also going to pick up anything I see on the floor. Now I'm going to go ahead and start vacuuming. This carpet used to be in my family room, but since my kids spend more time in here playing, we decided to move it in here for them. My son got this train last Christmas from my parents and he absolutely loves it. So we usually never tear it down. It's always set up in my living room. So I'm just moving it. That way I'll be able to finish vacuuming.
I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning right there in your eyes. So when you got
Once I'm done vacuuming this area, I'm going to go ahead and put the train back, and then I'm going to move my son's other toys so I can vacuum that area.
this whole thing, I like the way you look at me. How about we just go with the flow? Now you know I feel it too. But I don't think this could be.
Now I'm just going to take this pile and put it in a bag. That way I'm able to get rid of it. And these two pillows, I'm just going to set them on the sofa for now.
But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I
Once I come back in from setting the bag on the porch, I'm going to go ahead and start sweeping the floors.
There in your eyes. Oh, yeah.
This is my kids' little hallway, and I'm going to sweep it as well. Sorry for any background noise that you hear. My AC unit started up when I was trying to record the voiceover for this video.
Empty glass, empty. How about I get another drink, baby? Drink, baby. Okay, I get it. You got fire burning right there in your eyes.
After I sweep up this pile, I'm going to say my living room looks pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.